Yeah, hello. Welcome to Mr. Paul Web Design Agency. I want to share our new online banking script. This is a classic design, well detailed, and it looks like TD Bank USA. So as you can see, and it comes with an app. So if you click on this, so it's going to install either on your computer or directly on your phone. So you can also install it on your iOS devices. So everything about this online banking feels so different. Like here, you can search for anything within the site. So it's going to show you. So as you can see, so the FAQ, the blog, everything is being managed from the admin panel. So let's go back to the home page. And if you haven't installed the app before on your phone, you can just click the button from here as well, and it's going to get installed. And you can also click here as well, and it's going to get installed. You see, so we have checking and savings, digital banking accounts. You see, and we have credit cards, and we have a mortgage and loans. Network is a bit and we have our language translator here, and here it's going to display your IP address and your current location to just make it feel secure, and we have our contact page. Contact us here. Low. So you can see, so we have our map here, and you can edit everything from the admin panel. So any message you send from here is going to be sent to the admin panel. So now this is the user list. So now let's create a new user. Create new user. James Doe. Okay, let's find our email address. Password. Gender, male. Account type. We have joint account. We have a lot of accounts here. Let me just choose personal current account. Date of birth. So you can just put any year you want. Just choose any year. What's wrong with my mouse? Okay, now you are going to upload your profile picture. Okay, now this is your profile picture. So finalize registration and create account. So the account is being created. So you can see it has generated your account number and your access pin code to log into the account. So now we are going to try and log in to the account right now. Let me use here. I don't want it to get congested. So this is the account number, the password, then login. Oh, sorry, I've stayed too much on the page. Let me go back. Yeah. Okay. Now access code. Let me copy the access code from here. Verify access code. Now we have now logged in into the bank. So now here it says identity verification required. Please complete your KYC. So let's first do that, because without that we will not be able to make any transfer. Verify. No, here you can select if it's national ID, driver's license, So let me just click on passport, the front page. Let me just select this. See, submit documents. Okay, now it is under review. So if we come here, you will see everything is still empty. So verification required, so we have not completed it. So let me come back here. KYC pending, James Doe. So this is the front side and this is the back side. So let's approve it. Now the KYC has been approved. Reload the page. So that is done. So now on this, we are going to do a lot of stuff on this page. So now everything is empty, nothing. So now let's start making transaction. Here we have crypto deposit, we have withdrawal, we have crypto withdrawal as well. So let's try and deposit some crypto. Now you will not be able to deposit because I have not what's it called, add wallet to the account. So now let's edit the user details. User list, James Doe. So down here you will see user deposit wallet, Bitcoin. Let me just put this Ethereum, TRC. So you can just paste all the wallets here. Update deposit wallet. Okay, we have an email. Let's check the email. So this is the email. I'm going to edit the email template later. So this is the email. We have everything there. So now let's move to let us reload this page. Now let's select account to fund. On this bank, we can create multiple account number. So before we do that, let me show you the accounts. So now we only have USD savings account. Let's create another account. So you can create euro account or pounds account. Let me create a pounds account. Copy enterprise account. Create account. Now we have two different accounts now. So let me go back to the crypto deposits. You can choose the account you want. So let us deposit on the pounds account. Now let's assume that we want to put 15,000 pounds. So let's select Bitcoin. So automatically it has converted the 15,000 GBP, which is pounds sterling, to Bitcoin value. So this is the Bitcoin value that you are going to deposit into the account, and this is the wallet, and this is the QR code. You can also copy the wallet. So now let's assume that we have made the payment. I've made payment. Now the transaction ID. Now the transaction ID. Then upload proof. Let's upload some proof. Now submit deposits. Now the deposit is now pending, and you are going to receive an email stating that deposit requested in the demo bank. So the deposit is already there. I'm going to work on this email template later, so that's not an issue. So now let's go back to the admin panel. Admin. Now on this admin we have crypto transactions. So that is crypto transactions, James Doe pending. Let's view the proof of payment. Then let's approve it. Now it has been approved. You will receive an email as well. Deposits approved. So now below this page, now £15,000 has been credited into the account. So now we have 15,000. Oh, I think I selected the USD account instead of GBP. Okay, so we have £15,000 here already, and there are other ways that you can use to credit the account. So if you come back here, what am I doing a mistake with? Under the user list, this is user edit James Doe. So now credit and debit account. So now under our USD we have 15,000, and under the GB we have 0. So now I can credit from here. I can see wire transfer, I can see anything. So the status, you can put it as pending, you can put it as failed, blah blah blah. So the amount, let's say 25,000. Internal fee 2, and you can backdate. So we can select date from last year, from last month, description, which is the source. So it might come from array. James. You can put organization name as well. Execute transaction. So now let's come here, account notification, this transaction. So now if we come back here, reload, we're not going to see the money here because we didn't credit it into the dollars account. We credited it into the GBP account, which is the pounds account. So you can see 24,990 because we removed £2 for the transaction fee. So which is already there. As you can see last deposit 25,000, and today's date is already I said today's date, that is the December 25, 2025 that we selected. So that is the transaction date. So now we have our this thing chart, which is the money flow chart. You can see it's telling you that we have this thing. We have wire transfer, incoming wire transfer of 25,000, and we have crypto transfer of 15,000. I think there is a mistake with the crypto deposit this thing. We actually selected the pounds account, but it credited it into the dollar account, which is going to be fixed. But inside the transaction details here, it's showing us that we have crypto in for £15,000, and we have wire transfer in for £25,000, which gives us total of £40,000, and which is actually here. But while crediting the account, I think there is a mix-up, and I'm going to fix that. So now we can switch back to our dollar accounts. So now currently we don't have card. Let's request for a new card. No card is found, and we can select either Visa or MasterCard. I like MasterCard. Let's select MasterCard. So now we have one MasterCard, and we can also select more cards. Let me select Visa card. So you can have multiple cards. So, and you can flip the card like this. You can flip them, and you can view the details, and you can edit the transaction and daily ATM limits. You can see it is editable. You can view the details. To view the details, you have to put your bank password for security. Verify and review. You can see, you can copy them, copy, and so that is that. So we have loan and mortgages. So we have loan and mortgages, and let's go for mortgage. So here we have the minimum you can request is 50,000 to 1 million. I'm going to request for 50,000. Okay, the months maximum minimum is 120 months or 360 months. I'm going to request for 150 months. So purpose of loan, just for this demo. So monthly you are going to be paying $2,471.93 for good 150 months. Okay, so next, so you are going to upload your proof of income, tax returns, bank statements, and property details. So let's do that. Let me just put this thing there. There's some PDF file that I have. So next step, submit application. Okay, now the application has been submitted, and we have other loans as well, like auto loans. So each have their own documents. So let's check here. You will see loan application received. You see loan application received. I don't know what's wrong with this my email template. I'm going to change it. So now we have loans and we have loan types. So this loan type, this is where you are going to manage everything that you want to manage on the loan and the kind of required documents that you are going to ask your users. So now let's go to the application. So we have James Doe under mortgages that is pending. After you have reviewed all the what is it called, the document, like this proof of income, PDF file. Okay, so you can now approve. When you approve it, the money is going to be credited into the dollar account, because we use the dollar account to request for the loan. Done. So it's going to send you an email as well. Loan application approved. So now if we go back to our dollar account, we should be having a huge amount of money. So we have last deposit was 250,000 on January 7, 2026. And here you will see our active loans, $250,000 approved. And we have our transaction here. Loan credits, 250,000. And crypto credit, 15,000, which is a mistake. It's supposed to be credited into the pounds account. I'm going to fix that later. So now, what other details do I want to show you? Let's go to the transaction. These are the transaction that is under the account, either USD or GBP or Euro account. Is going to show you all the transactions here, and we have our language translator here. We have my profile. This is my profile, so you can change your photo. This is two-factor. This is Google two-factor settings, and we have, you can change your password as well, and it has password strength settings. So if it's weak, it's going to tell you it's weak. You can see now it's stronger. It works perfectly. So now we have our login history. So anytime you log in, it's going to you know save your login history, your device, and all. So it's not showing this because I'm logging from this thing, private this thing browser, and we have our search bar here. You can search for transaction. You can search for like for example, let me see if there is a reference here. Okay, this one does not have reference. If there is a transaction that has actually have reference, so there is no. Okay, like for example, I can search for card. You see, it's showing me debit card page. If I go on transaction page here and I look for this reference ID, you see it's going to show you instantly. You know, like this reference ID here. You know, anything you type, it will show you the page. Like for example, crypto. You know, so that is that. Um, let's go back here. And once again, we are under the dollar account. If I switch to the GBP account, it's going to show me the GBP balance. So that's that. So now let's just make some transfer. Okay. One last thing is the internal transfer system. So you can actually transfer money from your um, GBP account into your what is this called, your dollar account. So, and you can also transfer to other users. So like for example, this is a pound sterling account and I have other users here. Where is the admin panel? Users list. Where's my other account? So under this account, this is my USD account, right? So now let's admit I want to send £500. Next, to account number, search. So this is another account entirely. You see. So next step, internal transfer and account, confirm transfer. So now it is requesting for OTP code to execute this transfer. So this is the OTP code. Confirm transfer. So the transfer is loading.
You'll be walking out of here soon.
Okay, so that is the transfer receipt. And it sent PDF directly into your email. You can see it comes with PDF. This is the PDF. If it's on Gmail, it's going to send you a preview. If it's on Gmail, it's going to send you a preview. As you can see, that is it. So now we have sent internal trans. Let me check if the other user received this thing. Okay. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the GBP dashboard. So $500 has been sent out of the account, as you can see. So now, let me switch back to the USD account. like the USD account. So now let us make wire transfer. This is wire transfer. Let me select USD account 25,500. Propose family support. Next step, James Doe, bank name, demo bank, Swift code, the account number or IBAN if you are sending to Europe. Address state, New York. Confirm transfer. Damn, I'm having an error here. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Let me check if it's this. 1,500. Right on to the description below. I'm going to fix that later. Okay, let's try the domestic transfer. I'll fix the wire transfer later. If it's 2,500 demo James Doe demo bank. Okay, I'm going to pause the video later and fix the wire transfer and we will test it again. So this is the OTP code. Confirm transfer. So now as that is moving, that is loading, we are going to request for tax code, IMF code or any other code that you want to request for. This is where it gets tricky. Now let us activate IMF code, for example. Let's put the code that we want, generate the code that we want, update this. Now IMF code is going to be required whenever a user wants to make domestic or wire transfer. Let's go back to the domestic transfer again. Choose any account that you want. Let's say you want to make 45,800 bills. Put the account number. The note is optional. Next, confirm transfer. Now you can see that it redirected the user to another page. IMF code is required and it's going to send the user an email instantly that IMF code is required. You can see, dear James Doe, we are writing to inform you that your pending transfer of 45,000 USD has been temporarily placed on hold by our compliance system. Missing requirements. To proceed, please provide a valid IMF code. Amount on hold is 4,500, 45,800. Then status pending verification. Please log into your demo bank dashboard, blah blah blah. You can see. So now we are going to put the IMF code. Let me just put a random code. It's not going to work because that is not the code we put from the admin. Inside the admin, you can see IMF code is, let me now paste the main password that we put, the main code that we put from the verify and proceed. Now it will now send, it will now resume the transfer. Now it now direct back to the OTP code to execute the transfer because we have already executed the IMF code. It's very simple, very. Now let's confirm the transfer. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, so the transfer has gone through. So you can see, go back to our dashboard. You can see the 45k has been debited. Now all the money that has been debited from this account is 48,300. You can see the chart here. It's telling us now that domestic out is 48,300. You can see now. So now you can go back to the admin panel. Off if you don't need this IMF requirement, you can just switch it off. If you need another one, you can switch it on. So the code you generate for this user is going to differ from another user. So that is it. You can save it back now, and from here, from this admin panel, you can edit user details as well. Edit all the user details, blah blah blah. So that's it. And under here you can see all the users accounts and their account balance. So here I have $216,700, and on my pounds account I have 24,498. So now let's go back to the crypto side. We can also withdraw money via cryptocurrency. So just select the account you want, either the GBP account or the dollar account. So I want to withdraw, let's say I want to withdraw $5,000. Now if I select Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's going to automatically convert the money. As you can see, this is the converted price. If I choose Ethereum, that is the Ethereum price. This thing USDT is also a dollar. So you can see. So I'm going to withdraw Ethereum, my Ethereum wallet. Then now request for the crypto withdrawal. So now let's go to the admin crypto transactions. Now we have withdrawal pending here. So you can see the wallet here. So this is the wallet in case you want to credit the user. You can approve. Once you approve, the money is going to be debited from the user's account. Done. So you can see 5,000 USD has been debited from the account. That is 1 point something Ethereum. Come back to the dashboard. You can see the money has reduced. Now the money we've debited from the accounts is 53,300. You can see. So here we have crypto debits 5,000. Under the transaction we have domestic 45,800 debits. We have credit. So we can see all the transactions here. Okay, and let's go back to dashboard. We have our help center here where you can submit tickets, you can open a new ticket. demo test. So you can select your category: card issue, online banking, mobile banking, crypto transaction, department, technical support, priority, set to high. I am having issue with this demo. And you can also attach your documents, your photo, maybe screenshot of the problem that you are facing. Submit it. Now it has been submitted. Now you have a notification here. You have this in here, notification here, case submitted, So now the admin can also reply you. Where is the support tickets? So now I have open ticket here, June 29 seconds ago. Okay. Yes, I know. It's a demo. An admin can also upload an attachment. See, every transaction that you've made on the bank is going to be sent to your email address. You can see we have domestic transfer confirmed, we have crypto withdrawal received, we have crypto approved, withdrawal approved, we have your ticket has been received, and support team replied your ticket. You see, so everything you're going to get informed. Everything you will get informed. You can see. So if I reload this user side, so you are going to see there. Yes, I know it's a demo. That is what the admin replied, and this is what I wrote the admin. That's how the transactions. That's how the conversation is going to look like. Let's go to dashboard. Now, let's check the mobile version. Assume that you want to log in on your phone. So this is how it's going to look like. It changes. So everything look neat. You can see. So this is what you are going to be installing on your phone. So you can see it's an app on its own. You can see very clean, very neat. So if you want to make transfer, click on this, internal transfer, blah blah blah, wire transfer. Everything looks so neat, so beautiful. So it is very user friendly. And let's check the transaction page. You can see users can easily monitor everything from their phone via the app. And there's other features that I've not showed you. If you want to see your account number, if users want to see the account number directly from here, they have to put the password. Now the account number has been revealed, as you can see. So that is it. And you can also add another account number. Everything just looks beautiful. It looks like a mobile app, and it's a mobile app on its own. So the card, you can see, so you can easily see the card here. See, so this is one of the best online banking I've ever created in my life. So thanks for you guys. So you can also see you can see support replied your case submitted. So that is it. That's how it works. It works like magic. Now, maybe you guys might be wondering that why we don't have OTP login, OTP code. From this admin panel, you can literally manage everything. Here we have our branding site. We have our platform name, the site URL. If you want to put your live chat here, you paste it here. And here we have capture, and we have required registration OTP with required login OTP. Let me activate required login OTP. So Here we have SEO settings. You don't need all this. We have our email templates. Um, we have our fact section. We have our blog section, blog posts, as you can see. So we have a lot of things. So everything is going. I'm sorry the way I'm making this video. It's been 2 years that I made my last video. So let's log in and let's log out and let's log in again. I forgot my access code. Fuck, damn it. Okay. Okay. Let me get the access code from the database. Okay. What's the account number? What's my user 2116? Okay. Now let's log out. Now I've logged out. Let's see how this one also looks on mobile device. You can see it's just beautiful. This is the front page on mobile device. It also looks like an app as well, just that we don't have the this in the that stuff. Now you can see you can also search here. Okay, now let's log in. Let's log in. Access code. Which account number? 2116. Now login OTP is required. Now we have our login OTP. OTP code is 71243. Verify identity. Now we are in. So I'm going to pause the video, then I'm going to fix the wire transfer stuff, then I'm going to fix the email template, then we are done with this video. Okay, so welcome back to the video. Let's go back to the wire transfer. So let's transfer from the pounds account. For the 400. Okay, the purpose. Family support. Next, full name. Okay, let's just put that. Country. Next. So let's confirm the transfer. Okay, so we don't have that issue anymore. So let's check our OTP. So you can see the email template has been fixed as well. So everything is now in order. Let's copy the OTP code. Confirm transfer. It's loading. Okay, so it's done. Now transfer successful. So let's check our wire transfer confirmed. So and it comes with a wire transfer receipt. So if we click here, so you're going to see the PDF receipt that is attached direct to the email. So that is it. So what else did I promise to fix? Okay, crypto transfer. Um, um, this thing, crypto. This thing. What is it called? Deposit. So I'm going to deposit into the pounds account again. Let's deposit. How much do we have now? We have 25,000. So let me deposit 5,000. So let's use Ethereum. I have made payments. Let me just put that. Let's just do this. Submit deposit. So now we have it pending. Let's go to the admin. You can see we still have the 25,000 pounds there. Let's check our email. You see everything is working perfectly now. So let's go back to the crypto transaction. So here as well, I have modified this to show the amount and to show the um, um, Ethereum amount that was deposited. You can see um, the this thing proof of payment. So let's approve it. Done. Check our email. Deposit approved. You know, so plus £5,000 has been deposited into the account. Done. So everything is, so you can see our money flow charts. It explains everything. So that is all about this script. So if you need it, contact Mr. Paul Web Design Agency. And I think there is other things that I want to show you guys. I think I forgot. Yeah, I think I forgot that. So that's all. Thank you for watching.